Hey everyone, today we'll be doing another LeetCode question. This one is a little bit more interesting. It's a dynamic programming question called House Robber. So let's look through this. Let's read the problem. You are given an integer nums where nums I represent the amount of money the ith house has. The houses are arranged in a straight line, i.e. the ith house is the neighbor of the I minus 1 and I plus 1 and so on. You want to rob money from the houses, but you cannot rob two adjacent houses because the security system will alert the police. Return the maximum amount of money you can rob without alerting the police. Okay. So we can only steal stuff within like intervals. So 1, 3, 1, 3. Or even just 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 8, 6, 9, 3. Okay. Well, first of all, we gotta create like our some restrictions. So the value of nums will always be positive, and nums will be an array between 1 and 100. Okay, got you. So let's do just that. First, let's define n as the length of nums, and let's create our dp array, which will be 0 and length n. And the idea here is to keep track of what the maximum amount of money we can rob is at a certain point as we traverse through the list. And we'll be saving those values within the index. So at index 0, the maximum amount of money we can steal is this much. So let's do just that for I in range n. So dpi is equal to dpi, it's gonna be max dpi plus this is the thing, right? How do we keep track of indexes that are out of bounds? I minus 2. Let's see. Well, we don't, because we will add a condition initially. If the list is of size 2, then we can only rob either one of those houses, right? So if n is less than or equal to 2, return, we basically want to add the values of dp now. How do we do this? Okay. If dp is 1, then wait for I in range, for I wait a minute, if n return nums. Oh, this is so bad, bro. dpi minus 2 plus our current number, or remember, we can even just like take this if I want to, right? So dpi minus 1. Dude, this is so ghetto. Bro, what is this? Error. Okay, what's the last executed test case? Why is this wrong? So oh, I see. 2 to n. Sorry, 3 to n. Okay, I'm good. I got this wrong. Oh, sorry, this is 2 to n. Okay, maybe this will actually do it. Okay, it's still wrong. Damn. I got more test cases though. Is there a different test case? What is this? Your output. Whoa, what is this feature, dude? I don't know. Pretty cool. I think I might need to do this actually. Okay, still the same thing, dude. God damn it. I was just checking. Oh, maybe it'll be more in like certain intervals. I'll have to compare the last 2 intervals because that one might be more than that or something, but I guess not. I guess. This would be 4, that would be 4. That would be 10, that would be 12. Could I go like that? So I'm basically checking this and this. But does that even make sense? Do I want to keep track of the... Let's see. So this, how would this work, okay? I would just want to see the test case that they gave me. Let's use this test case. Whoops, the heck. House robber, what is the optimal? What is the expected solution from this input? Because I don't know like which, how does it sum up to whatever, 26 or something? So blah 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 blah, 27, okay, but why is it 27? Like which numbers give me that answer? I just want to know that. Whoa! Oh my god, I'm not looking, I'm covering that shit. So 27, it would be 5, 10, 9, 1. Okay, 5, 10, 9, 1. 5, 10. Well, my solution is basically looking at 7 and 1. 11 and 7, but it could just go like that. because how would this work? I wish there was a better system of understanding dynamic programming because I'm struggling, man. I can't really visualize this. Like, what is the pattern here? So I go 5, 1, okay, whatever. So we rob this, or we skip it. If we skip it, we can rob the next one. What? Fuck this shit, bro.
Okay, let's solve LeetCode 198. These two houses, right? Rob and find them. That's our first decision. If we them these two, it's a little point. E1 elements 4 results 3, because if we get it y would be Rob 1 and Rob include, and Rob 2, we want to return Rob 2, because by the time to digest exactly what's going on and to understand all the importance of this problem, so many dynamic programming problems are built upon this one. And let me know if you have any questions, because I feel like I might not have explained the recurrence relationship quite well enough. But if this was helpful, thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any suggestions.
Oh my god, bro, I'm so dumb, my guy. This is just Max. Oh my god. Fuck, I'm so close. Just like this, and yes, this is just EP -1. Because if the second value is less, then it's not gonna matter. I think this should do it, yeah. Bro! You can't be for real. Oh my god, so I was doing the right thing. I thought I was completely wrong, which is why I'm looking at the goddamn solution. Oh! Okay, that's pretty dumb of me, man. I feel like I doubted myself too much here. I could have just very easily debugged it. I'm like, okay, where did I go wrong? Am I close? Am I far? Because this is indeed the right solution. Nice. So this has a time complexity of O of n, space complexity of O of n as well, because we're only going through the list once and memoizing it. I do wonder if there's a cleaner way of writing this. I did see the NeetCode solution. Space optimize. Is that what I should be opting for, honestly? Maybe I should look into why this is the case. Is it a bottom-up approach? Which makes the most sense to me. I guess I can just do this like this. Okay. Oof. Alright, I'm gonna try and learn the this solution and see how to make sense of it. But very good, I guess. Not really, this is really bad. Oh well, we all have our bad days.